In this second part of video of chapter 16, that is light, we shall be discussing the following topics. The first one comes the plane mirror. A plane mirror is a sheet of glass where one side of the surface of glass is coated with a reflecting material like silver or tin, and the reflection of light in a plane mirror takes place at the reflecting layer. Okay. The next one is the image formed by a plane mirror, or the type of image given by a plane mirror is virtual image. I have already explained to you in my previous video about virtual image. Okay, so say for example, when you look yourself in front of the mirror, okay, and you move your right hand, then on the mirror your left hand seems to be moving, isn't it? So that type of image is called virtual image. Then the next one is characteristics and uses of plane mirrors. Okay, so the first point, we can say that the image formed by the plane mirror is virtual image. Okay, and the distance of the object, okay, from the mirror and the distance of the image from the mirror is same. Okay, the second point. The third point is, see, the size of the image and the object are same. The size of the image formed and the size of the object are same. The next one is the image formed by a plane mirror is always erect. And the last one is the image formed by the plane mirror is laterally inverted. Okay, so laterally inverted means, like, see, when I move, or when we move our right hand on the mirror, the left hand appears to be moving, isn't it? So that is what it means by laterally inverted. Okay, now the next one is the uses of plane mirrors. So some of the uses of plane mirrors are, they are most commonly used as a looking mirrors in homes and shops, okay, in offices and showroom to give illusion of increased spaces, okay, as a reflector in solar cooker, and so on. Now the next one is regular reflection and irregular reflection. Here, when parallel rays of light fall on a smooth or polished surface like plane mirror, then those rays of light gets reflected in exactly the same pattern as they arrive. Okay, so those type of reflections are called regular reflection, and that's why we are able to see ourselves in the mirror or any highly polished smooth surface, okay, because of that regular reflection of light. Then the next one is irregular reflection. When the parallel rays of light fall on rough surfaces, okay, which are not plane, which are not leveled, okay, so some examples like piece of wood, okay, they get reflected in different directions. So this type of reflections are called irregular reflection, or they are also called diffuse reflection. And here we are able to, okay, because of this irregular reflection, we are able to see the things around us, okay, because the rays of light get scattered, and that's why we are able to see the things around us. Now the last one is multiple reflection of light. Here, multiple reflection of light is the reflection of light, okay, where the rays of light or beam of light moves back and forth for several times between two or more mirrors that are kept at certain angles to each other. This multiple reflection gives rise to multiple images. Now, depending upon the angles that the mirrors are kept, the number of images formed will also be different. Okay, suppose between two mirrors, okay, they are placed at certain angle, and we are to find the number of images. Then we have the formula, this one, that is n equals to 360 by theta minus 1. Okay, this n is the number of images, theta is the angle at which the mirror is placed. So if the angle is, say, 60 degree. Okay, if the angle is 60 degree, then the number of images will be 360, okay, by 60 minus 1. So you divide this one, 6 so equals to 6 minus 1 equals to 5. So if the mirror is placed at 60 degree, then the number of images formed will be 5. Okay, this is the problem that I want you to solve. Okay, the question is, if two images are inclined at an angle of 90 degree to each other, how many images will be formed between them? So we know the formula is n equals to 360 by theta minus 1. Okay, and here given theta is 90 degree, and you will find n. Okay, n is the number of images. So I want you to solve this one.